Senate Bill 1378. Imagine this. A Texas winery that has been around for years gets bought by a bigger out-of-state company. Under current rules, that parent company cannot both sell wine into Texas and own part of a Texas winery. Without a fix, the local winery could be forced to change ownership or even leave. What the bill says it does? It creates a very narrow exception so a non-resident seller can keep an ownership link to one specific, older Texas winery. It says the sales firewall stays up, meaning the parent company cannot sell wine to the winery it owns. What it actually does? It relaxes the cross-tier ownership ban for a tightly defined case using permit dates and city population criteria. This means the parent can keep the ownership tie, while competitors who do not meet those criteria cannot get the same relief unless they pass their own bill. Who benefits? The specific winery and its parent company, large distributors and retailers that keep product moving through current channels, and local workers tied to that facility. Who pays the price? Small and mid-sized Texas wineries that do not qualify, independent growers who face a stronger competitor backed by a larger parent, and the public that gets no new transparency to verify the guardrail. Why it matters. When exceptions are written for one setup, policy shifts from general rules to case-by-case carve-outs. If that pattern spreads, market power can concentrate, and smaller Texas producers without political reach have to fight for their own bill instead of using a fair standard. Bottom line, Senate Bill 1378 is a surgical fix that keeps one ownership arrangement legal, but it sets a precedent for solving corporate conflicts by carve-out rather than by a fair statewide rule.